Hello everyone. Ninth Blight here, and today we're back on the yard. Now, if, as you can see here, this is a middle patch. It's already having tomatoes form, a lot of small ones. It's actually two tomato plants that grew real close to each other. It's attracting a lot of flies and stuff because of all their flowers. That one as well. Basically, they're tag teaming that. And so there's gonna be a bunch of tomatoes over here. There's also gonna be a bunch of wasps and stuff. I'm just gonna have to deal with. As you can see, this guy's already getting his leaves back, and we're gonna have to cut him down again real soon. You can also see he's getting some thickness in those little stalks of his. They remind me of peas. I'm not sure if they're going to be peas or not, but I'm interested in them. Pretty excited. And this one's making these little towers. Flowering heads. I have no idea how it seeds. I just know that it's over here. And it's getting taller and taller. I haven't even made tea from it recently. I've just been letting it grow. Now the little green down there is getting bigger too. That's why I had to get rid of the other one, because I just can't have both of them over here. And this one, it's getting to the size where it needs more support. It's simply just too big. And it's making the berries lower and lower because it's like that. It's basically a tomato bush. One day I'm just gonna hook this one up, just pull it. As soon as I see those flowers all die off. This one's changed as well. I've put some support for the branches to grow on. And they're just getting forward and out. Not exactly sure. It was probably cut when we cut the grass. So that's what happens with these. And this part is just the part that's literally, if you look closer, you can see it's been cut in the middle. So it has the dying parts, but the rest of it that gets farther out is more alive. And those are just forming more flowers. So eventually this is going to wrap around all the way. I can already see it. This guy is not really taking up this spot as much. So when I add more dirt, I'm just going to let it grow over here. They can either co-own it or it can take over. These are just little pomegranate trees. They haven't gotten very big. And these parts have been mowed a lot. So they've just been fighting me and anyone else who's been mowing just to grow. And what I learned from my grandmother is these parts are where the watermelons are going to grow. Right now, not those parts. The parts where the flowers are. Basically, there's a bunch of potential places. They haven't formed yet, and it's just making more of them so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to clear out the area, stakes down or anything, because while they do wrap, so far it's just wrapping into the dirt and around the plants around it. And this one, I'm probably just gonna pull it up too. These ones are doing very nice. They have literally nothing to worry about. They just have to get taller. Same for these guys. I'm excited for this bean. I filled a whole bag up with them. I put water in them, and then I leave them on top of the oven. After a couple of days, I'm going to take them out and plant them when I start seeing some of them start growing. Eventually, I'm just going to plant them all anyway. And then eventually, if any of them do take, they'll pop up. But this one's an older one. I left in a napkin for a while. I just put them down. I was pleasantly surprised when I saw them pop up. And these two jalapenos are the only ones left. I moved the only other two because they weren't really growing that much. I'm pretty sure these ones were draining their energy or something. Because I already know one of them is growing much better than the rest. And these guys are kind of just going crazy. I need to add more sticks because they were getting more and more over them, reaching further out and just getting taller. I'm going to have to get more wire and string just to keep the stuff in place. Like, it's growing further and further out. I'm just making more flowers. Like, it reached the point where it hit the wall and bounced off, and now it's just growing like that. And lastly, we got the other watermelon patch and the tomato. Last time I noticed it started flowering. I also noticed the flowers on this one forming. They're all hidden underneath its leaves. It's also making more of these, and that's where the watermelons are going to be on. So now what I have to do for that part is really just clear out the grass around it. I'm going to have to start raking it. I've already mowed, just need to clear the area out more so it's easier for it to spread.